it's got, the water levels aren't perfect, but it's got quite a few fish in it. So we should be able to find something. The only problem is every man and his dog could be there. Yeah, let's go find out. Hello, Thomas.
How's it going? How you doing? Very attractive shot.
Cheers, guys. Have a good day.
Really, so this area hasn't gotten a whole lot of rain.
No, we've had none.
Really, no kidding. And the other places are just getting hammered.
Yeah, well, we've had, like, it's been raining all year nearly. Like, we barely had a summer. Everything was in flood over summer.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
And
It's like good to have somebody who's worked the water. And, you know, because like I fished up here that like 30 years ago, and I just kind of breezed through. And I'm sure there probably were, later on you realize there was fish in there, but I never fished it properly. You know, I didn't put it down deep enough, or, you know, any of that kind of stuff. So,
yep.
so it's nice to have someone along who knows what they're doing.
Hopefully we can find one or two more in there. I can still see one or two. They're moving around quite a lot.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oops. Pretty slow.
I think you were looking at the fish.
I think so. And you do the same thing I do. Yip, 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 yip. What about yip? Don't you understand?
Yeah, that's not too bad. That's some push you fish. You're going to move that guy down the street.
Okay.
When he's ready.
Sorry, buddy. I don't want to go for a walk, so I'm going to have you come over here.
You do it? I think the time I'll try to get along.
He's a big fish. I better go.
It's always the better option.
I can see the bottom. I'm cool.
Yeah, I'll just,
All right.
you do what you do, and I'll just try to make sure you don't make that. Fish we've put. A little bit deep down. I said it's stay close to these trees.
Okay.
Time, no rush. We'll chase them around as long as we need to. If you keep coming, you can get up in this bay. A little bit of a rock to trip on in front of you there.
Oh.
There it is.
My guide, he knows every rock in the river.
Okay, that'll do it then.
Oops, sorry.
Nearly. Fish time.
Oops. Sorry.
Heaps tight.
Strong.
He's reasonable. He just won't give up when he's at the top there. He just keeps thrashing around. Yeah.
Nice one.
Well done.
Bloop.
It's actually reasonable.
My first fish in the North Island. Hey, buddy. You made history today. Beautiful.
Well done.
I think I got it pretty good.
Yeah, nice one.
There's one. Yep. There we go. There we go. Bit of a jumpy bust. Might be hook funny. The worst thing about this tool is generally to land them, we've got to
Walk down. Buddy. Alright. Oh, lunch. I can't see this one bit.
Yeah, I think you just need the conditions though.
For the, yeah.
Low and no rainfall in a month.
Right.
Otherwise,
I mean, I can't tell, like when I fished it, I was all geared up. Had my drone, I loaded down with all my gear, and then I fell over and cracked some ribs.
oh yeah, you told me about that. Yeah. I think I had broken ribs just before that snowboard. Yep. Definitely go for a look. Upstream of that airport.
Yeah.
Apparently where it comes out of the lake down there called, it's not Lake Canary, but it's something similar to that. Let's go under here.
Yeah.
Maybe
Powerful.
a low rod angle here, down towards me, up under those trees there. Yep. He's definitely got the egg in his face, but he may be wrapped up in the second fly.
All right.
I saw the egg in his face though. Do you drink coffee, Gareth?
I do.
Damn.
Why?
I was going to bring him coffee, but I was like, I'm pretty sure, because I remember having a conversation last time. Yeah, so he's all
Wrapped up. Hi, buddy.
Ooh. This is a real trout fish.
What, you brought a coffee maker.
Yeah.
What, a little portable one?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I thought I remembered you saying you don't drink.
Oh, no.
Well, you don't drink.
Okay.
Yeah, so, show me the other side. So, yeah.
Sorry, buddy. Oops. There we go.
Good fishing, buddy. Well done. Yep, let him go.
Boom. To what do I owe this pleasure?
Alright, so we'll go find. It's going to be a little bit of a struggle bouncing around finding a spot in between all the people. Because none of the rivers are firing, everybody gets sort of packed into one location.
Right.
This was like my bread and butter when I first came to this region. This car park here in this area of the river. I just, this is where I sort of found North Island fishing. was really good. Spend lots of time in this little area. Far out. Okay, and now everybody else is too. It's ridiculous. Oh my lord. Okay, we might have to go down Tongariro. This is just ridiculous.
I remember fishing in Twizel. Do you remember Doug Andrews?
I know the name, yeah.
Yeah, so he was a guide
Go
there.
for a walk from here.
He was a guide there, and
Yeah.
I remember one season opened up down in the Tekapo,
Yeah.
and I said, and he had gone down. I said, so how was that? He says, there's people all over the place. I go, well, how many? There's 2 trucks.
Yeah.
2 trucks in 20 miles.
Although I find that last few times I've been on the Tekapo, there's quite a few people, quite a few trucks around, 3
Yeah.
or 4 sometimes.
Yeah,
It has gotten busier.
yeah, definitely. But that was like
20 years
probably
ago.
30 years ago.
Yeah, right.
30 years ago. I bought his Land Rover, Land Cruiser.
Oh, is that
The old long base Land was. Do you, outside of the past, do you do anything else? Any other slights?
Like, let me think. So I know, like, I've got like a few bulk shuffles.
Yep. You should know the slights you should know are like a double lift. What's going on? Oh, that's fairly not so daunting.
Yeah.
I mean, do you just work in this run, or?
Yeah, pretty much. See how
Yeah.
there's the lighter coloured sand out there?
Yeah,
The fish sit all over that.
they do. Oh, okay,
Yeah.
cool.
And then there's an edge, there's like a hard edge. It goes from shallow rock to like, yeah, you kind of see it. You'll see it when we get up there. But like in the summer, this is like my brown trout capital.
Oh, really? No kidding.
Yeah, this whole edge holds heaps of browns. Good rainbow fishing, good dry fly fishing.
Yep.
This is a really good spot.
Nice.
I haven't really fished it for a while,
Uh-huh.
but we've just got to go where there's no other cars. And there
Yeah.
happen to be absolutely zero cars, so that's a win. So
Yay.
very similar rig.
Okay,
Will
cool.
just be, see the rock out there,
Yep.
the ripple?
Yep.
I'm kind of fishing out about that far, maybe a little further.
Okay,
The
cool.
wading is a little tricky though, because it's bigger rocks,
Yep.
but we'll figure it out.
All right, I'll be careful. Because I might just step.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Is that a roll cast as well? I've seen that happen on the Tongariro like that.
Yeah, it's kind of a funny little roll cast.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's exactly how you do it. It's how I do it. Seems
Yeah.
to work. See how you're not always casting upstream? When I run
Yeah.
out, pretty much fishing downstream.